Hello everybody and welcome to Merry Muddles with me and my little friend here, Cora. Say hello. Cora's not mine, but she's here to help me today. So I thought I would power through with my first aid kit or medical kit for guinea pigs and small animals. So I will start you right off with critical care foods. This is Burgess. You'll find them in any credible pet shop. Very helpful for before or after surgeries and when they're just feeling poorly. So always make sure you've got some of that to hand. I have got some low adherent dressing pads. So that's for when they have a lesion, cyst, ulcer or wound of some sort. You can just pad on it. Obviously make sure it's in a sterile environment before you use it, and then strap it on. Strap it on, you ask? How can you strap it on? I'll tell you. No, I won't. As you can tell, my medical kit isn't very organised. Yes, with tape, which I will get to in a minute. Antiseptic wipes, very important. I've got a number of these. Antiseptic healing cream. Spare syringes, very important. Very important. Make sure you've got spare syringes. Obviously, you use them once. Your vet should give them to you automatically when you have been given a prescription for your animal anyway. But yes, it's always good to have several on hand, especially if they are dehydrated for some reason, and you can just give them a little bit of water through it as well. Okay. I have got endless amounts of antiseptic first aid cream. Okay, I've got wound ointment, antiseptic care cream. One is from Pets at Home, one is for humans. Both do exactly the same. I would say this one works a little bit better. Obviously it is for humans, but be mindful, and it's absolutely fine with your guinea pigs. It's not like it's taken orally, and yes, very helpful. Make sure you've got some of those packed away. So what else? Sterile saline solution, very important. That can clear out wounds. And of course surgical spirit. I've used tons of this. I really recommend it. Also cotton buds as well for getting into those little crannies which are difficult to. What else have I got? Just have a spare pair of clippers. I've got tons. If you need one, just give me a shout. I've got about 3. Okay, maybe 4 down here. Okay, this is branching into sort of grooming, but I've got tons of brushes as well, which I don't really use, and a glove, which I've never used. Okay, I also have Dactarin and athlete's foot. This is for fungal bacteria. It also can be used for ringworm as well if they've got a rash or losing hair around their facial area. Very helpful. What else do I have? The mysterious tape, which is empty. It's here somewhere. I've got fly guards. I have Emla. I find this really helpful. This is for numbing areas of the skin, so it's not so painful. I certainly find it very helpful and very useful when you are trying to drain a cyst or an ulcer, for example, or anything like that. That just sort of takes the pressure off any pain around the area, so you can sort of massage it out more effectively. Okay, what else do I have? Can't go wrong with lots and lots of gloves. Always have gloves handy. If it's not for you, then, and if you've got kids, seriously, you will need these if you're looking after animals for some reason or other. I use one every single day without fail. Of course, using them stops or at least prevents cross-contamination, because you are the common denominator between your guinea pigs cages if you've got more than 2 and they're not sharing. So if one's got one and you go and hug one, or you rub one or you feed one, and when you go to the next one, you're passing on that bacteria or that parasite, and it will just get round and round and round very, very quickly. So make sure you look after yourself first. And yeah, I've got conjunctivitis at the moment, I think, in one of the guinea pigs. So they obviously, excuse me, are in quarantine with their hutchmate, because obviously they've been together too long. So if one hasn't got one, if the one hasn't got it, well, they've got it essentially. So it's just easier to keep them together now. Okay, I've got tweezers as well, 2 different sizes, and I've got medical scissors, so that helps cut things, such as tape. Where is that tape? I'll find it, and then it will freaking kill me. Am I sitting on it? Whatever, doesn't matter. I do have tape. Anyway, yeah. I also have tea gel shampoo. This is for downdraft, itchy scalps, flaky skin, etc. These are usually more noticeable in short-haired guinea pigs, such as teddies. But yeah, just use this, dilute it with some water when you're washing, and that should clear that right up. This is actually, and this one is hibiscus. Neat. Obviously, you'd have to dilute that one as well. I've got my shampoo here. So this is a mixture of grooming and shampoo, and this is very good. It's from Honestly Echo, and it's for guinea pigs and any other animal, and it's carrot seed and cedarwood. It smells absolutely delicious. I also have Beatrill and Metacam on me because they're prescribed by a vet for a guinea pig. The Metacam obviously is for anti-inflammatories and pain relief, and the Beatrill is for antibiotics. So I know I've got one there, and I know I've got one over there as well. I've also got spot on treatment from BFF for mites, lice, etc. But I think I've used most of that up. That's always good to have on hand as well. Lots of towels also, always important. Just clean, warm towels so you can wrap them up, and it's just easier than if, you know, not skin on skin, etc. like that, and it just keeps them warm. What else? Oh, endless amounts of syringes. I think I've covered that. Yep. Anything else? Oh, probiotic feed. This one here. I have one very similar to this. It looks a little bit like that, sort of greeny, granny. I would recommend this for older guinea pigs because it just gives them help, really gives them a boost. It helps their immune system. And also, you know, the older the guinea pig, they are more susceptible to, you know, the cold and any sort of bacteria that is flying around. So this gives them a little extra hand, and they can also suffer from constipation as well. So this makes them regular. It's like giving your guinea pig a yogurt. So just put a tablespoon on their food when you feed them, and yeah, why not? I've also got pea flakes somewhere as well. Some little treats just in case. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I also do have some sort of, obviously, other things like a stethoscope and eye exam. And I do have, I'm looking this way because everything is in the drawer, I'm just trying to think. And I do have a couple of scalpels as well, but you do not have to worry about that. So I also have a fly spray, which works wonderfully in the summer. And I also do have fly netting, which I put over their hutches because they live outside predominantly unless they're poorly. She's gone. to stop flies getting in, and also gives more shade in the summer, so I find that really helpful as well. So anyway, I hope this was okay for you. I've tried to rush it through. It's still 10 minutes, but can't have everything. Yeah, have a lovely Halloween, everyone, and thank you for following me or liking me, and if you don't, please do, or I'll find you. But yeah, me and Cora say goodbye. She's missed off, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye everyone, take care.